1 cup of this at night to help your well-being. Just 1 cup can help reduce body fat, lose that belly, reduce pain, arthritis, boost your energy, and help even fight cancer. Just takes a few minutes to make, and you're going to love the results. Today I'll give you the exact ingredients and the recipes. One of the key ingredients is going to be turmeric, like golden turmeric milk. Turmeric, of course, is medicinal and healing. It's a nurturing ingredient used commonly in India and Southeast Asia. People cook with it, but you can make this drink. Now, when do you take it? About an hour or 2 before bedtime, and that's important to maximize all of the benefits and the relaxation effect, because sleep helps with the hormones, it helps with mood, and it helps to regenerate the body. This is going to help you get an amazing night's sleep while at the same time reducing inflammation. So what are you needing? And I'll go through the ingredients with you, and I'll go through what they do as well, and at the end I'll review them just so you don't have to write it down initially. So you're going to want 2.5 cups of full fat milk. Now, I like full fat because you need some fat to produce hormones in the body. Very important. For those that don't want full fat, you can reduce it or use your milk substitute. Next is 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, the powder. You want to make sure it's pure, organic. Make sure there's no arsenic or lead in there, because some have been shown to have this in there for coloration. So make sure you get a good source. Next, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory, but it also helps in digestion. Then 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Yes, MCTs, medium chain triglycerides. They help with fat burning. They're also a quick source of energy, and they help reduce hunger. That nighttime hunger causes people to eat and gain weight. We want to curb that. Next is a cinnamon stick. What does it help? Lower blood sugar, boosts metabolism. Okay, that helps with fat and to lean the body a little bit. And then, of course, it helps with great skin. Cinnamon helps improve skin glow. Also has been purported to decrease blood pressure. Next, 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey does many things for the skin. It can be used as a mask, but it also has antimicrobial effects and can help with acne. Next is a pinch of black pepper to help, of course, with the absorption of turmeric and the other spices we mentioned, and then a little ground cinnamon on top. So here are the exact directions. You take the milk, the ground turmeric, the ground ginger, the coconut oil, the cinnamon stick, and you put it in the saucepan on a low to medium heat. And you want to just stir it around. In India, if you've made Indian food, you know the spices, the first thing you do is you heat them up a little bit to bring out the flavors and to incorporate all of the goodness. 4 to 5 minutes is enough for these spices to extract their goodness into the fatty milk. Then you want to remove the saucepan from the heat, remove the cinnamon stick, and then you want to put in a little bit of honey. See, we didn't want to heat that honey. And what comes, of course, a pinch of black pepper. We know that increases turmeric absorption manyfold. You're going to put that into 2 mugs and serve it warm. Put a little bit of ground cinnamon on the top for extra flavor. Make that, let me know, do you love it? I put a complete video up here on turmeric, but also other supplements to keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.